TVS has a new variant of the NTorq 125 scooter launching in the coming days. To be called NTorq XT, it has now arrived at the dealer showroom. It is likely to be based on the 125 cubic centimeters scooters Race Edition or Race XP variants and will come with a number of features and cosmetic upgrades. TVS keeps upgrading all its two-wheelers regularly to keep them up to date and ready to meet new challenges. NTorq Race XP is the most powerful 125 cubic centimeters scooter in India, and other variants in the range are Standard, Super Squad Edition and Race Edition, with XT joining them soon. NTorq range comes with an impressive list of equipment, and on the top Race XP model these include LED headlight, LED DRLs, street and race riding modes, Bluetooth connectivity with turn-by-turn navigation, fully digital instrumentation and a lap timer. For convenience, there is under-seat LED light, external fuel filler and a USB charging slot. On the NTorq Race XP, after the rider starts the scooter and pairs a smartphone through Bluetooth, he or she can give voice commands to perform different tasks. This includes navigating to a place of your choice, changing riding modes and adjusting brightness of the instrument cluster's display. These features can be seen on the new TVS Ntorq XT. LED DRLs will be standard, as it is seen with some NTorq variants. Other features like front disc brake, engine kill switch and USB charger, which are common across the range, will be present on the new scooter too. As can be seen in the leaked images from TVS dealer showroom, the new NTorq XT comes in a new dual-tone shade that looks like a combination of black and fluorescent yellow. Letters XT have been highlighted in a shade of blue, on the instrument console, as well as on the side. NTorq is powered by a 3-valve, 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine which is good for 9.25 brake horsepower at 7,000 rpm and 10.25 nanometers of torque at 5,500 rpm. NTorq Race XP's engine is in a different state of tune, delivering 10.2 horsepower. This makes it the most powerful 125 cubic centimeters scooter in the country. The new NTorq XT is likely to get the same, more powerful motor from NTorq XP. TVS Ntorq XT is expected to be a premium offering and sit at the top of the range. At the moment, the NTorq range starts from just over Rs 77,106 ex showroom for the drum brake version, while the top Race XP retails for Rs 89,211, ex showroom Delhi. Slightly lower sits Race Edition, which is priced Rs 85,161. Rivals will include Suzuki Avensis, Honda Grazia 125 and Aprilia State Route 125.